Good morning, July 28th. Jesse here, Supernova Design Company, coming to you live from the Pacific Northwest. What do we got today? Let's take a look. Focus today is the technical data sheet. I need to get that done. Today we are absolutely focused on that. Specific tasks we're going to work on. We're going to get our 2 hours in the shop after our walk, which we haven't taken. We're mixing it up a little today. We're doing our task and focus challenge review first to help keep things on focus. So like I think I mentioned, the 2 hours in the shop, clean and organize. The sweeper is going to be here today sometime. After that, it's all technical data sheet. Stop and eat and get back to it. The last thing, once that, I really want to get that done today. And then I think the thing that I'm really missing at the moment is a business and life plan. Obviously I have that. I have my goals, projects, and tasks. I have a timeline for when all that stuff gets done. So maybe it's just a life plan I need to figure out, because that sort of brings us to the next one, some of the challenges. I think this morning I was listening to a JRE podcast, and they were talking about these ancient civilizations and how the importance of groups and how social creatures the humans are. And I realized, along with the being scared and a little freaked out for these life changes coming on, the big anxiety, just feeling alone as can be right now. Again, I talk to my mom, my aunt, some family pretty regular, but no one's here in the trenches with me except for me. So it's a little tough, not freaking out or losing my shit over it, but it is a challenge. I took a good break on the weekend, and I thought I might just need to sort of check out my way of doing that. I watched 3 movies, and then I realized I watched another movie last night, and I was like, you know what, this is headed in a direction of useless isolation. So we're making the changes. I think the life plan, I think doing this in the morning, this setting the pace and the intent for the day is a good place to start. So anyway, things are tough. We're moving. And we'll catch you later. Oh, also on the list today, I think a haircut. Starting to see too much of that gray. And yeah, later. All right, it's almost 8 o'clock. Let's finish up. I'm hungry. What do we get done today? Shop's looking better. We did some sweeping. We did some organizing. We did some tool putting away. We got good progress on the technical data sheets. We got drawings for the Wally and the Mini. Mostly done. I imagine there's some feedback. We added the warranty stuff on there. I also want to put the weights on there and probably maximum loads, which we got to figure out a number. I think the AI is currently working on a weight calculator, not calculating how much it can hold. Actually, it'd be interesting. I think Fusion could do that. That sounds like a rat hole. What else? Worked on the life plan. Got a little clarity today talking to the Future X. So we got the next month figured out, which is the stressful part. I have awesome plans for next quarter, half, year, multiple years, but the 2 to 4 week one is actually what was causing all the problems. Let's see. Delete that. Lessons today. Talking and planning are good. They can definitely reduce uncertainty and fear and anxiety. What else? Creating a physical product like a kitchen rack. There is so many little steps. I wasn't even thinking about this technical data sheet, but it does make sense. I've used them plenty ordering Amazon stuff, checking dimensions. My goal is to start a completely professional business, and having those is absolutely part of it. So gotta do it. What else? Don't post AI slop in the descriptions of YouTube videos. I realized I didn't like it. I kept just copy and pasting it to check the box, and sometimes it's better just to leave it blank. So we're going with that, made some updates there. What else do we learn today? That Fusion 360's AI is better at troubleshooting Fusion 360 errors than ChatGPT 5.6. Yeah, just had some little errors, hadn't opened it in a while, and had some strange stuff going on. The Fusion AI help fixed it first. It gives you, try this first, try this second, try this third, and the first thing fixed it. Super easy with like 4 clicks. What else? What's next? Um, the AI is working on some of the data sheet stuff right now. We got to dispo that, make sure it's not making junk, and then get the data sheets posted to the web. We are going to not going to skip, but we're going to postpone the Volta, which is the big hangover and island rack for now. Maybe I might change my mind tomorrow because I just got tired of updating CAD drawings, but we actually probably will just do it tomorrow, get them all done. And that's it. Wins today. General life anxiety, I think, is down about 30%. We are probably 90% on the data sheets for the Wally and the Mini. And that's it. The kids are missing me. I'm missing them. Had a nice chat with those guys today, and they will be home in 5 days. Miss you, girls.